Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Marilu Aragosa. I am 46 years old. I live in Barangay Santo Niño, San Felipe, Zambales, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 children, ages 24, 21, and 13. I am high school graduate. I worked in Taiwan for 5 years. Started September 4, 2019 until December 9, 2024. On my first contract, it lasted for 3 years. Started September 4, 2019 until November 9, 2024. My first employer have 5 family members. Grandma, which is 87 years old with dementia. Her son and wife and 2 grandchildren. They live in a 2-story building house. On the first floor, they have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, living room, dining room, and laundry area. On the second floor, they have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. My duties and responsibilities are doing the household chores, doing laundry, cooking, marketing sometimes. In the morning, I cook breakfast. I prepare meals. After breakfast, I put grandma on the living room and then clean the house. After I clean the house, I bath grandma. After I bath grandma, I change her clothes and give her medicines. And when grandma's great grandchildren come visit her, I am the one taking care of them. They are 7 years old and 5 years old, a boy and a girl. On my second employer, I started December 9, 2022 until December 9, 2024. My second employer have 3 family members. Grandma, 84 years old, her daughter, and grandson, which is 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities on my second employer are the same. I do the household chore, I do the laundry, I do the cooking, and marketing. In the morning, I cook breakfast, I prepare meal, and after breakfast, I bath grandma. After I bath grandma, I put her on the living room, wait for me on living room while I am bathing grandson, which is the 4 years old. After I bath the grandson, I change him and I do the household chore. I clean the house while he is watching movies on television. After I do the household chore, I clean the house. I am reading book with the grandson, the 4-year-old son, and teach him the alphabet and teach him the English alphabets because he is Chinese. That is my duties and responsibilities, and that is my work experience. Thank you, Mom and Sir. God bless.